Let's make some toasted ravioli. So for this recipe, it's super easy. Couple of steps, that's all you need. So of course we need some ravioli. I'm using beef ravioli. I got that from Trader Joe's. And then I'm also going to use a ricotta and spinach ravioli. And I got that from our local grocery store. You're going to need some flour, egg, Italian breadcrumbs. For the seasonings, you're going to need just garlic powder, black pepper, and this pizza and pasta magic. And then of course some Parmesan shredded cheese. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first things first, what we need to do is season our mixture. So we're going to take some of our garlic powder and pour that inside of our panko breadcrumbs. We're going to do the same for the flour. Make sure you season both. Then we're going to take our pepper and season that as well. And lastly, we're going to take our pizza and pasta magic and we're going to sprinkle that inside. And then we're going to just make sure everything's incorporated. I'm just using a fork. This is a really easy recipe, guys. I'm telling you, it does not take much to make this. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri, although I reside in Houston, Texas. And I miss toasted ravioli. So I learned how to make it myself, the easy way. Of course, I'm not making my pasta from scratch. I do know how to do that. And I'll show you that in another recipe video. But for now, we're going to do the easy way. So we're going to push the flour out of the way. We have our breadcrumbs, and what we're going to take some of our shredded Parmesan and just sprinkle that inside of our breadcrumb mixture. And we're going to mix that up, making sure that's fully incorporated. The seasoning smells so good. All right, now we're gonna move on to coating our toasted ravioli. Let's go. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of our raviolis. We're gonna dip it in the flour. I'm sorry guys, my counter space is kind of small, so I apologize in advance. There we go. We're gonna dip it in the egg mixture. Just one time. And now I'm going to dip it in the panko breadcrumbs, which you cannot see off camera right now, but trust me, I'm doing it. You're gonna see that in just a second. And it should look like this. So we're just gonna keep working on them. Flour, egg mixture, breadcrumbs. And we're gonna do 2 coats of this, but first I wanna get majority of them, the amount that I'm going to eat. I'm only gonna make 3 of each type of ravioli, but you make as much as you want. But we're gonna coat these twice. Make sure that it's good and coated. So I'll start doing this and you'll see once we're ready to fry. Now I am working on my second coat. And again, it's the same steps, just the flour, the egg mixture, and the Parmesan and panko mixture. Same exact steps. This is just so that we can get a good coating on it before we fry it. But it's an easy process. This is the second coat. Just taking each one after it's been sitting for about 2 minutes. Just re-dipping it. I know all about using a dry hand and a wet hand, but sometimes It's just faster for me to do it this way. It might not be as appealing, but hey, it's my kitchen. I do what I want. There we go. This is so good. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop talking to you. I'm gonna finish this, and then I'll meet you at the stove. All right, so all of our toasted ravioli is complete. We are about to head over to the stove so we can go ahead and fry it. Let's go. All right, so we're at the stove. We're gonna go ahead and just start plopping in our toasted ravioli. It should take about 2 minutes to fry. And we're just gonna watch the process. And there you have it, guys. We have finished our toasted ravioli. I took it out of the fryer, sprinkled it with some Parmesan and some oregano, paired it with some nice little marinara. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And bon appetit.